Hello YouTube, today I'm going to have a quick unboxing of the Vkworld Z3310. It's basically the clone of the Nokia 3310. Here you can see the various colors that is available. I have ordered the grey one, as you can see here. I ordered it for about 15 euros. Now it's currently at 16 euros on Gearbest. Here we can see some of the specifications. 2 megapixel camera, Bluetooth. It can support a TF card up to 8 gigabytes. The screen size is 2.4. Screen resolution, the size. It has a dual SIM. So let's open it. Here you can see it. I have already booted it, and I have made a slight modification on the language. It currently have Greek on it. If you want to see how you can change the languages, you can just comment below, and I will make a guide if you want. That's are they available now. Let's see what other things we get in the package. It's a simple package, nothing more. This is the sticker that comes on it. You can see they advertise that it has a LED light and an FM radio, that it works without having to use a 3.5 headphones. This is a charger. Micro USB, 500 mAh, an adapter, the UK one because I'm in Cyprus, and lastly we have the manuals that is in English. English, Spanish, Greek. Well, actually the guide is in English, but the safety instructions are in a lot of other languages. So let's we have another piece of manual. It's the warranty card, nothing special. Let's see. Telephone is in grey. It has a LED flash for the camera and also a LED, also a flashlight on the top. It's a removable back plate. Here is the battery. Here you can see the capacity. Here you can see that we have a 2 slot for the SIMs and 1 for the micro SD card, and this is the speaker. A 3.5mm jack and the micro USB. So let's put it up again. It has a standard keyboard in English. I think for 15 euros is a really nice option. You can see it has, here you can activate the torch, which in low light condition is really good. Have calculator, Bluetooth, calendar, alarm, etc. In multimedia we have the camera, nothing special here. The video audio player video, the FM radio, we can see that it works without having to connect the headphones.
Sayın dinleyiciler, seçme...
Games, it has only Snake on it. It's not the original one, but after all it's a Nokia 3310 clone, but at a fraction of the price of the original one. Here we have the settings, the call logs, our contacts, profiles, and last our messages. So this is the review, a quick review and a quick unboxing of this phone. If you want to see a guide on how to change the installed languages, you have actually two options. Let me know down in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Bye.